operation is getting underway as the first steam-powered excursion train of the day is working up the grade at Miller Road. This train is being pulled by Steamtown's number 2317. Behind the steam engine is E9 number 2400 and the NYS&W passenger equipment which we saw earlier. Here we see the train as it prepares to stop at Moscow, Pennsylvania. The small depot at Moscow is a perfect example of the many passenger stations that were in use throughout the nation at the turn of the century. Moscow is the normal turnaround point for the regularly scheduled Steamtown excursion trains. Here engines run around their trains for the 13-mile trip back to Scranton.